Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be talking about money market fund. We'll be discussing what is money market fund, what are the type of money market fund, how can you invest in money market fund, and how much do you need to start investing in a money market fund. Money market funds, they call it with different name depending on your country. Some country they call it mutual fund, and it's just the same thing. So we'll start by knowing what is a money market fund. A money market fund is just a platform, or it's a fund that pulls together the money from different investors, and it's managed by a professional management. So with money market fund, it's not easy for you to lose your money, but I won't lie to you that it's risk free. There's a little risk, but it's the safest if you want to start investing. It's the safest for the youth who doesn't have a lot of experience in investing. And also it's helped to save time, because you don't need to do research about should I invest in this one, should I invest in this or this. The management, the professionals will be investing for you. So after knowing what money market fund is, so what are the type of a money market fund, or what are the type of a mutual fund? The first type is equity fund, or as some people call it, equity stock fund. So it's your money is invested entirely on stock market, and in some money market, if you download the app of different types of money market fund, you'll see some app they are calling it, some firms they are calling it
high interest earning. So with that one, if you download the app and you see a type written high interest, note that one is the equity fund.
The risk is a bit higher, and at the same time it also has a good returns. And as you know, the higher the return, the higher the risk. So before you invest in equity fund, make sure you understand your level of risk tolerance. Don't invest in equity fund when you know that you don't have that type of risk tolerance, because with the equity fund, your capital preservation is not guaranteed. The second one is bond fund or fixed income fund. These ones, this type of a fund, they invest your money in different types of bonds that are given out by government. So there, I will also say that it's more secure compared to equity, but capital preservation is not guaranteed, but it's difficult for you to lose your money. For those people who thinks of investing in bonds, but you don't have that 100,000, this is the best place to start investing in bonds, because they collect money from different people and use it to buy different types of bonds issued by government. So I'll say this is the best one. If you don't have money, just imagine you only need 100 bob, or 2,000, or even 10,000 Kenyan shillings to start investing in bonds, which you will not invest with if you go for CDS account. Invest yourself in bonds, because the minimum amount to invest in the government issued bond is always 100,000. And just imagine, with 1,000 shillings you can invest in bond. Choose wisely. The third one, we have money market fund. Under the mutual fund or under money market fund, there is a type called money market fund. And if you have a low risk tolerance and you want to save, for example, for, let's say, a vacation, or you are saving for your wedding, or even for you want to save some money so that you can invest in future, the best place to save that money is money market fund. Why? Because in money market fund, the first thing, your capital is preserved. You will never lose your capital, though interest can vary, the interest you will earn can vary, but your capital will always remain the same. If you invested with them 10,000, at the end of the day you will get your 10,000 plus the interest that you have earned. And most of the money market fund firms, they are giving around, nowadays in Kenya they are giving around 16%, 15, 10, 12. So it's good. It's a good place to save because it's giving higher interest rate compared to the banks. The fourth type of a mutual fund or a money market fund, it's called hybrid multi-assets or balanced fund. With the balanced fund, it's invest both in stock and bonds. So it's also a bit riskier, but the risks are medium. It's a medium risk. It's not a high risk such as equity fund, but compared to bond fund, it's higher, or fixed income fund. It has a higher risk level compared to bond fund, but it has a lower risk level compared to equity fund. So if you have the medium risk tolerance, you can invest in a balanced fund. So from there, what are the benefit of investing in a money market fund or a mutual fund? You enjoy the benefit of diversification. The investment are diversified. They don't only invest in one particular investment, but they invest in different things such as bonds, stock, also cash, receivable cash, or receivable debts. Different. It's diversified. The second benefit, you will enjoy compounding effect. If you invest, for example, 10,000, most of the money market fund, you will get interest daily, and it's also compounded daily. So at the end of the year, you'll be in a better position compared to those different types of bank where they compound your money annually. Here the money is compounded daily, so you have a better chance to make more money compared to the banks, and they also give high interest rate. The second one is liquidity. With the money market fund, my friend, you are able to withdraw your money anytime you want, and you will receive your money within 2 to 3 business days. That's why I'm telling you, it's the best place if you are saving for emergency fund, if you are saving for a vacation, or you are saving for your wedding, or any type of saving that you are saving for. Even if you are saving to start a business, it's the best place, my friends. And I've never seen a better place than money market fund, even if it's come to the interest they give out. The fourth one is affordability. Just imagine, with 100 Kenyan shillings, only 100 or $1, you can invest in a money market fund. Which type of bank will give you a chance to invest with 100 bob? You start saving with 100 bob, and you earn daily. You earn interest daily. No bank gives interest daily compared to money market fund, where you'll get your interest daily. So it's affordable. 100 bob, you start saving. Just you can just think this way. You always use, let's say, 100 bob to place your mega jackpot there in spot pesa, and lose that money. Just ask yourself, if you were saving that money every weekend, instead of betting on a mega jackpot every weekend, and I don't know, midweek jackpot also 100, so you are wasting 200 every week, and you are getting nothing. Instead, if you can take that 200 shillings that you waste in a spot pesa weekly, and invest that money in a money market fund, my friend, with time you will see your money start growing. And instead of looking for cheaper method to make money, such as betting, with this one, it will take time, but at the end of the day, you'll have something. Your capital will be preserved. You'll have your money. For example, if you take, just think of, for a month, it will be 400 times 4, 800. You'll be saving 800 per month. Instead of wasting that 800 in betting, you'll be saving 800 per month. It's good money. It's up to you to choose wisely. So before you choose a money market fund, there's some things that you also need to know, because there are different types of mutual fund. There are those different company giving out the services. So before you choose which company you want to invest in, make sure you do a little research, know about the management fee. How much do they charge for the management fee? In Kenya, the management fee ranges between 1% to 2.5%. There are also some firms that charge entry fee. So do a little research. Know that there are some firms that doesn't charge that entry fee, and they give better rates than those one charging entry fee. For example, firms such as CIC, they don't charge entry fee. Sciton, they don't charge entry fee. Etika, no entry fee. Why should you go for a firm that is charging you entry fee and also giving you a little returns? With that one, guys, thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and you can also follow me on TikTok at Emmanuel Care, and the same Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed, do so. Let's meet on the